Wow! Wow! No! Wow! Yeah. Yeah. Oh! Wow! You're bigger. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. Yeah, man. Let's see. How many? 4. Yeah, 4. Yeah. 3 nice ones. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fishing 24/7. Today I'm going fishing in Monterey for the first time. I never been to Monterey, so I'm very excited. I'm with Louis today again. Hey, and today I'm going with my brother here on his boat. Thank you so much for inviting me and Louis on his boat today. Mako is a very nice boat, 22. So anyway, just follow us and let's see how we're doing today. So we are in about 220 foot of water right now. So let's see. I never been out here, so let's see what we catch today. Okay, follow us. Hopefully we're going to have a very good day today. Okay, guys?
Another copper, guys.
Wow, that's a nice one right there.
Oh.
Yeah, good job, Louis.
They also out here that side though.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. What's that? That's a
sole.
sole.
Yeah.
Look at this. No, it's not halibut.
That's a whole halibut.
Nice.
You see this hole right here? It's not secret.
Copper. Just one. That's a nice copper.
I can release it.
Nice copper. That's the biggest copper. Oh my goodness. Look at my feet right here. It's way bigger than my feet. Oh man. Fish on? Nice.
Oh.
Nice. Ooh, nice. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Double.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, something. I saw it. No.
It's red. It's a red.
No.
It's a red.
It's no, copper and a ling. Both. 2. Man.
Yeah, look at this.
Look at that. Hold on. Hold on. Let me Let me do. Yeah. Right there. That's why it's so heavy.
Almost, man.
No, canary. Nice canary. Fish on. Đúng là thật. À, cái vị á. Tôi đang còn cái đầu không à. Oh, how big! Oh, two million. Yeah. It's okay. Nice. Nice. Oh. Yeah, beautiful. Huh. Okay. What's that? Wow! Wow! My goodness! Wow!
That's a nice one, but
Yeah. Woo!
that's really nice one.
Ling. Oh, nice ling. Nice ling. Nice ling. No. I take care of it. Yeah. Hold on. Three of us.
Phải la lên cá, my God.
Không. Yeah. Woo. Oh. Yeah. I have a nice one here. I don't want ling anymore. I want. No, maybe not. Maybe a big. Yeah, Bocaccio.
Right here, that's your fire.
Yeah. Right here, another one.
Ling.
No, Bocaccio. Wow, 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 wow.
Good spot. What you need, Bruce?
Oh, this is the big one. This is the big one here. Oh,
Take it easy on it.
yeah, I know.
Take it easy on it.
I know. Slowly down.
With love, with love.
With love, yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I'm excited. Oh, this is a nice one here. At least 15 pounds.
You know what? It's for the deck man. So you deserve it.
It's a ling. This is a ling. This is a ling. He's shaking the head, I know. You have the gap, right? Okay. Hey, Louis. Hey, we call mine. Yeah, Bando. Yeah, this is 15 pounds right here. Oh, I want 20 pounds Vermilion. I see it. I see the color. Yeah, please.
Got it?
No, it's too big. Oh my goodness. Oh, the ling. Oh, big ling. Grab the ling only. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he eat my. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh. Yeah.
Hey, this is illegal. You cannot
Oh.
Oh my. Look at that.
Nice one. Double hookup.
We don't accept any more big fish, guys.
After that, you eat some beef jerky. It's okay. I can put on YouTube, right? Okay, make sure. Okay. Yeah. This is our memory here. Ooh, nice one.
We need more subscribers.
It's okay.
We only got right?
Yeah, we fish on too. Good. Triple hookup. Okay. No, I don't need it. I need to record. I need to record.
You might fish on too.
No, if I fish on, I can leave it alone. Yeah. Almost up. You give up? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I can see it. Oh, that's a nice.
Not as big as yours, but
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah. He's sick. He rolled it. He's rolled it. Oh,
that's all right. It's been on my hook. That's going to be good.
oh. Okay.
Thank you.
One.
One more.
Oh.
I got it. Just leave him down there. Leave him down.
Okay.
There we go.
Nice. Okay, Luis.
Okay, so this phone is gonna run out of. Ooh!
I haven't seen it.
Oh,
Man, that's a nice
why
one.
does it keep getting heavier?
Because you are tired. That's why.
You're right.
Still out there.
Many fish, that's why.
I know.
Alright, get close.
That's a nice hole for the halibut.
Yeah.
I need to get the brand and
Cheap.
also the size. Yes.
Ugly stick.
The more cheap, the more better.
Yeah. Only $40.
Trust me.
Yeah.
I can't spend that much money for anything.
Come on, Luis. I want to see the color.
Another blue one.
We-
There it is.
Yeah, we need a gaff. No, two big. Oh my goodness! Oh, wow! Wow! Now, wow!
Con gì? Con
Yeah.
Bocaccio.
Yeah,
Bocaccio có gì đó?
yeah. Okay, gap the other one. I could not believe it. Nice! Oh! Wow! Yeah. Wow. Yeah, a double hookup. Two big fish. How you doing over there, brother? Let it go to him. You see the color? Fish on. Yeah. Oh my goodness, everyone have fish on. It's okay. Real. Oh, that's a Oprah. No, Oprah. It's Oprah. It's Oprah, right? Yeah, Oprah. Oh, that's a nice ling. Whoa. That's a nice ling. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Okay, same thing. Oh wow. No, that's canary. Oh, you have two big ones. Oh, two big millions. Yeah. Whoa. We have a double hookup here. Yep. Come on. Yep. Now fish on. Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Wow, that's a nice double right there.
Oh my God.
Good.
That's a double.
Nice.
Oh, with the club, huh? Confident, huh?
Yeah. You know. Long look for you. There you go. I see it.
Did you see the color?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a ling.
That's a ling.
Oh, that's a beautiful ling.
That's a big one.
Still good though. Still looking good.
Yeah.
Well, you know, this one is fresh. Oh no. Yeah, that's a nice one too.
At least 10 pounds right there. 10, 12 pounds.
Oh,
right
at
there.
least, yeah, at least 10.
Oh. No, he broke the.
The rubber hook, huh?
No, he broke the weight.
The weight. I think he wrecked to the
Right there.
he wrecked to the rock. Man, that's a good size too.
Yeah.
Look at that. All right.